So we're going to use a pre-made sauce as a base. It really doesn't have much in it, so we're going to season it up, add some red wine to it, and make that work. We're going to Nourish Nesco seasoning in that seasoning. Now we're going to take our Capellini noodles and drop them in some salted and oiled water. Now we're going to turn our eye on some high heat. We're going to throw those peppers in there and saute them. Drizzle a little bit of olive oil, about a teaspoon, maybe even a half. Okay, so now we're going to add these back into our bowl. Set those aside for later. Another teaspoon of olive oil, any white wine, and your Alfredo sauce. Don't mind if I have a glass myself. Add your sauce. And gently stir this until it blends together seamlessly. A teaspoon of onion powder, garlic powder, Cajun seasoning, and 2.5 teaspoons of Italian seasoning. A dash of cayenne, because I love my heat, and a pinch of salt. Stir until blended seamlessly.